So let's read the question. The question says how many compounds violate octet rule BrF5? So in this question, what they have asked, how many compounds violate octet rule? That means here the particular compound BrF5, so it violate octet rule or not? That is the question. Octet rule or not? So the key concept in this question here, it is octet rule. What is octet rule? So octet rule, it is a chemical rule of thumb. So what it octet rule dictates, what it reflects means the main group elements, the main group elements, these main group elements, they tend to bond. So they tend to bond in such a way each atom in a particular molecule has 8 electrons in its valency shell. 8 electrons in its valency shell. So what happens? Why they tend to bond to have the 8 electrons in their valency shell? Because it gives the same electronic configuration. It gives the same electronic configuration as noble gas. As noble gas, simply octet rule means octa refers to 8. 8, 8 electrons in their valency shell. So they tend to bond in such a way so that it having 8 electrons in their valency shell. Then the atoms becomes more stable. Atoms becomes more stable if they having 8 electrons in valency shell. So now we see the BrFi. BrFi. Whenever we see the structure of BrFi, what is the structure of BrFi? The structure of BrF5 here it is, bromine is the center atom. Around the bromine, 5 fluorines are present. 5 fluorines are present. So bromine pentafluoride. So bromine pentafluoride. So usually the bromine it having the 7 valency electrons. So fluorine having 7 valency electrons. In the same manner, bromine also having 7 valency electrons because they belongs to the halogen. So here one fluorine, here one fluorine. So now we count the number of electrons which are present around the each atom. So around the fluorines, all the fluorines, how many electrons are present? 8 electrons are present around all. Whenever we see the bromine, totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 electrons are present. So here, bromine in BrF5, bromine, it violates the rule of octet because it have more than 8 electrons. More than 8 electrons around it. That means it holds more than 8 electrons around them. So that means it having the expanded octet. Expanded octet. So the final answer here it is in BrF5. This compound violate octet rule. Hope you understood well. Best of luck. Thank you so much.